Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Indian politics related questions. These questions will be very helpful in all the competitive exams. So now we will see the questions along with the answers in detail. First question: which committee recommended the establishment of Central Vigilance Commission? Options: Sarkaria Committee, Santanam Committee, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee, Narsingham Committee. Correct answer is option 3, Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Next. Which of the following organization does not come under the definition of states? Options: ONGC, NCRET, CSIR, IDBI. Answer is option 1, NCRET. Next. Who admits the oath of office to newly appointed Central Vigilance Commissioner and Chief Information Commissioner? Options: Chief Justice of India, any sitting judge of Supreme Court, CBI Chief, President. Correct answer is option 4, President. Next. National Milk Day is observed on. Options: 26th November, 24th October, 2nd December, 25th November. Answer is option 1, 26th November. Next. Article 2 and 3 deals with which of the following? Options: citizenship, fundamental duties, name of the country, establishment of new states. Answer is option 4, establishment of new states. Next. Which sector is mainly served by the cooperative societies in India? Options: electricity, farming, pharmaceutical, corporate houses. Correct answer is option 2, farming. Next. When State Reorganization Committee was appointed? Options: 1952, 1958, 1953, 1955. Answer is option 3, 1955. Next. Which of the following is not a current information commissioner? Options: S.Y. Qureshi, Sharad Sabharwal, M.A. Khan Yusufi, Basant Seth. Answer is option 1, S.Y. Qureshi. Next. Central Information Commission is established by the central government under which of the following act? Options: Right to Information Act 2005, Central Information Commission Act 2005, Right to Information Act 2002, Right to Information Act 2006. Answer is option 1, Right to Information Act 2005. Next. Who appoints the Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioners in India? Options: President, Prime Minister, Home Minister, Chief Justice of India. Answer is option 1, President. Next. Who appoints the Central Vigilance Commissioner? Options: President, after obtaining the recommendation from a committee consists of Prime Minister of India, Home Minister and Leader of Opposition. Option 2. President, after having consultation with Chief Election Commissioner of India. Option 3. Prime Minister, Home Minister and Chief Justice of India. Option 4. President. Correct answer is option 1, President, after obtaining the recommendation from a committee consists of Prime Minister of India, Home Minister and Leader of Opposition. Next. Who is the current Chief Information Commissioner of India? Options: Manjula Prasher, Radha Krishna Mathur, A. Surya Kumar, Vijay Sharma. Right answer is option 2, Radha Krishna Mathur. Next. Verghese Kurien is related to options: Yellow Revolution, White Revolution, Blue Revolution, Green Revolution. Answer is option 2, White Revolution. Next. Who has the power to remove Central Vigilance Commissioner and other Vigilance Commissioners? Options: Chief Justice of Supreme Court, President on the recommendation of Election Commission, President and Supreme Court, Prime Minister, Home Minister and Chief Justice of India. And the answer is option 3, President and Supreme Court. Next. When was Central Vigilance Commission established? Options: 2005, 1972, 1988, 1964. Answer is option 4, 1964. Next. Who written the book I Too Had a Dream? Options: M.S. Swaminathan, APJ Abdul Kalam, Verghese Kurien, Arun Jaitley. Answer is option 3, Verghese Kurien. Next. A money bill passed by the Lok Sabha is deemed to have been passed by the Rajya Sabha also when no action is taken by the upper house within. Options: 10 days, 20 days, 14 days, 30 days. And the answer is option 3, 14 days. Next. Which of the following is not a cooperative federation in India? Options: NAFED, IFFCO, Mother Dairy, KRIBHCO. Answer is option 3, Mother Dairy. Next. Who is the current Central Vigilance Commissioner? Options: T.M. Bhasin, Ranjit Sinha, K.V. Chowdhury, Arnid Manayam. Answer is option 3, K.V. Chowdhury. Last one. Which of the following sets of bills is presented to the Parliament along with the budget? Options: Direct Taxes Bill and Indirect Taxes Bill. Option 2. Contingency Bill and Appropriation Bill. Option 3. Finance Bill and Appropriation Bill. Option 4. Finance Bill and Contingency Bill. And the answer is option 3, Finance Bill and Appropriation Bill.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.